Hey guys, it's me Jesse, and today I just did a lot of errands, like at least 5 errands. Phew! I'm already done. Anyway, so if you know Arabella Gonzalez with the emoji face, go subscribe to her. So yeah. Anyway, so today, remember I fidget? Yeah. I have another one. So, yeah, let me place y'all down somewhere. Wait, let me get that thing.